So hey there, what's up, how guys doing? Welcome back to our channel, and this is the ninth video for exciting series Build Jarvis in real life. And today in this video, we're going to make our virtual assistant Jarvis to generate images just by using our voice. So it is going to be a lot of more interesting as we're going to make the fastest image generation. So like it will take up to 3 to 4 seconds to generate the images. So yeah, sit back, relax, and let's get started. Okay, so to do that, we're going to use API from Magic Studio. Okay, so they got a really nice image generator that will generate images instantly within 3 to 5 seconds. Okay, so we're going to use the image generation from Magic Studio. Okay, so let me open the code editor, and here let me create a folder called function. Inside the functions, let me create a file image generator, image generator.py. Okay, so here let me create a variable URL where we'll store the API endpoint. Okay, so this is the API from where we're going to generate the images. Okay, so first of all, let us import the module request. And after that, let me create a function called generate images, which will take prompt. All right. So inside this, first of all, we need to provide some form data to this API so that it will generate the images. Okay. So there are lots of form data that we need to provide, but for now, we're going to provide the prompt only. So form data, it will be a dictionary prompt, and we'll pass the prompt as it is. Okay, so now that we have got the form data, now we need to make the post request to this API to this to get the content. So let me create a variable. Response will be request dot post and the URL and the form data. Data will be form data. All right. So now after getting the response, let us check what type of status code we are receiving. If we are receiving the status code of 200, then it means our API call has been successfully completed and we are getting the response. If it is other except 200, then we are not getting the content. Okay. So let me set if else. If response dot status code equals 200, it means when we got the data, when our API request is successful, then what we need to do, we need to save the images and we'll display that. Okay, so the code we are going to write here is related to that, saving the response images with open output.jpg, comma, wait a second, wb is output file, that output file dot write response dot content. There you go. Now when we made the request to the API, and when the request is successful, then it will save the file in output.jpg. Now let me just display a message print. So now let me write the else block as well. Else, now let's call the function generate images, and the prompt will be a boy with a water bucket. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so it is working absolutely fine. We got the image right over here. Now let me make it to open the image itself when the image generation is completed. So let me create a function def open image, and that will take image path. Okay, so inside this we need to, like, to open the image we need to use a library from python imaging library. We're going to import image to show the image. Here inside this, let me set a try block image equal image dot open image path, and then image img dot show to display the image. And then we will set up a accept block, accept file not found error. Then we'll simply print. I think it's done. So let me write open image and output dot jpg. All right. Now a boy with water bucket in the cyber city. Let me run this thing. Okay, it is working absolutely fine. And that's it. Now we got the image generator code. So we need to integrate this in the virtual assistant. So let me go on this function agent and let me see in the model, in the messages, what I have done. Okay, generate image. So let me copy this and let me go on the function agent. Here, elif generate image in function name. Function name, then in the messages prompt response query. I think I have the modified query as well right over here. Some detailed description, user query. How are you? Original query, modified query. Let's see. Open YouTube, user query. Okay, action details. Inside the action details, user query is there. So prompt will be response dot get action details dot get let me see dot get user query dot get user query. Here we will call the function from functions dot image generator import generate image prompt, and in the AI response let me pass this. All right, so now let me run this thing. Let me run this again. Okay, generate image. Okay, image generated. Image of a husky. Okay, generate image. Image generated. Let's see.
I'd be happy to generate an image of a
There we
husky
go.
for you. Please
All
note.
right, so and that's much for this today's video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you are new here, don't forget to join us in this exciting series, and I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.